Well, hello, you can't see me today, it's Steve, VKTUD. Thanks for coming. Today, as a result of how well I went with the Kickass panels, I've managed to get a Kickass battery charger. Now I'm unboxing it for the first time, so thought you might be interested. You may not be interested, it doesn't matter. It's a box in a box. It's like a doll inside a doll inside a doll, but different. That's the battery charger, 8 stages. Well packed up again, by the look of it. I can't open it. Hang on. Don't go away, viewers. One knife later, we pop the seal. Now this is supposed to be a 20 amp charger, 8 stages, and desulfates and regulates and does all that kind of cool stuff that chargers do. So this is going to be a short video because how much stuff do you need to know about a 240 volt battery charger? Anyway, and it comes out of the box. Mounting screws, the destruction manual, the box itself, the charger. 20 amp battery charger, 8 stage. It's got a cooling fan there. This is the cool part. On its lead there, straight to an Anderson plug. So if you want to charge up your camper trailer and plug it straight into Anderson, you can. If you want to hook up to a battery with terminals, plug it in. There's your leads. Looks like a reasonable 240 volt lead. Beautiful die cast box. Lots of vents. Little slots there for your mounting. The screws to mount it if you wanted to permanently bolt it to something. It is meant to be 8 stages. What do all the stages do? That's a good question. It's probably in the manual. Yes, you got desulfation, soft start, bulk, absorption, analyze, recognition, float, maintain. So I'm assuming that all these various LEDs will tell you at what part of its charge cycle it's in. It's got a display here, and it should, or you can preset it for the different types of batteries that you're charging. Not sure what the display is meant to tell you without looking through the book, but it looks like a pretty reasonable quality charger. I was going to buy a C-Tech, but I like the quality of the panels so much, and they seem to have a good reputation, Kickass. I thought I'll buy one of their chargers. Anyway, I will eventually install this and use it in the near future. I've got a couple of AGMs in the shed that have been there for over 12 months that are in desperate need of a charge. So I'm going to use this to cycle them up. And you never know, if I need to, I may even put the car on it from time to time. I'll do a review on this just that little bit later on in the future. Very short and sweet video. Thanks for watching. Cheers.